Okay, so assessment records indicate that the value of homes in a small city is skewed right with a mean of 140,000 and standard deviation of 60,000. To check the accuracy of the assessment data, the officials plan to conduct a detailed appraisal of 100 homes selected at random using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. Draw, label the appropriate sampling model for the mean of the homes that are selected. Okay, so what we have here is we have a distribution. Okay, that's going to be the original distribution. They said is skewed right. Okay, and the mean is 60,000. Sorry, it's 140,000. I'm going to just use 140 and put this as in thousands. And the standard deviation is 60,000. So this will go up to 200, 260, and then 320. And then this would be 80. And then this would be 20. Okay, and then I'm just going to put this over here because you can't have a house that's worth negative 40,000. Okay, so that's a distribution that's skewed right with a mean of like 140,000. Okay, with a standard deviation of 60,000. Now, what happens when we do a sample distribution? Well, our sample distribution is going to be normally distributed. Okay, it's going to be normally distributed. What's the mean going to be? Well, the mean's going to be the same. It's going to be 140,000. And then what's the standard deviation going to be? Well, it's going to be 60,000. So 60,000 divided by the square root of n, which is 100. So really it's 60,000 divided by 10. Okay, so 60,000 divided by 10 is 6,000. Okay, so that is what our distribution is going to look like. And when we do a sampling distribution, it's going to come out to be roughly normal. Okay, so this is going to be 140. So this is one standard deviation would be 146,000, 2 would be 152, and 3 would be 158. Going to the left, 140 minus 6 is 134, then 128, and then 122. Okay, so that, I know this isn't, this should be a little bit more symmetric like that. Okay, now this is 68%, this is 95%, and this is 99.7%. Okay, so in that sample, 68% of the houses will be between 134 and 146,000. Okay, 95% would be between 128 and 152,000, and 99.7% will be between 99.7% of the samples would have a mean between 122 and 158. Okay, given those 100 houses.